Good morning everyone. I am Mayank Kumar and now I am going to explain you that what are the challenges which the students usually face during their adolescent age. So let's see. So what actually is initiative of some of the students over here in our school is that we want to create a platform of students by means which can be for student and by the students, and we want here to be with us Acharya Shri Gupteswar Pandey, who is now DGP of Bihar. So what we aspects from it, so we want that the students can't means they can face their intellectual challenges, substantial challenges and social challenges, environmental challenges and all. So what come in substantial challenges, we will see first physical challenges which usually means students face. So first one is emotional growth, erotic change, attitude and behavior, and then physical fitness. And then after it all, our next point, intellectual challenge. It consists of mental challenges. So they need to know themselves, that who am I, what I need, which type of education, and now sustainable. Happiness is a challenge nowadays. Many are not happy, and due to it stress come as result, and they need to know their inner strength, then harmony in self and relationship, and imaginary vision. Now we will see the social challenges which they face. We want actually that all the students can be aware about the Indian culture. They could they can understand secularism, and they can wipe chronicles, and they can be self-centered and unsympathetic, and then they can be a nationalistic and patriot of their country. They need then now we have environmental and global challenges. So what is in it? They need to be aware about environment and global everything. And you can see here that there are 3 points. There were 3 points: learn, think and implement. So it is also important. And then here we have means after it all, what student will get benefit, what benefits a student will get. So first one, it is the opportunity for secular to stand on a single platform, and our initiative is that the students can think out of box, and they can be motivation for others, and they can develop skills in them as collaboration, communication, creativity and critical thinking. Then they can have the skill of leadership, and they need some expert advice so that they can get good suggestions regarding their career and all, and they can't get hesitate with their parents, teacher or friends in telling something. Then now here are some of the examples of some initiatives and some of the young personalities of this globe. So we will first see the initiative. So Jal Jeevan Haryali and Sharab Bandi, these both are of Bihar only, and these both have been brought for improvement in nature, environment, and then to improve the condition of the people. And then here we have 2 important guys. First, Malala Yousafzai, who is a girl from Pakistan, who has now become famous, and she had fought for the education of the girls. And here is Greta Thunberg, who is now active for environmental challenges. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video.